and welcome to another edition of Girls Ink at Home. My name is Ivana, and for today's craft, we're going to be making a Mother's Day card. And so there's so many different ways that you can make one, especially on the internet. You find so many different ways, but this particular one that I'm making, you can make it with just any blank paper that you have, lined, graph, white paper. And you need only some scissors or something to cut with, and some markers and perhaps a pencil or a pen to trace, but that's about it. And it's really meaningful to receive and to give a gift like that. So I hope that you try this at home and that you make one for someone special, for your mom or for your grandma, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to do it. The card we are making is going to be a heart hand card. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I just traced my hand on a piece of paper that I had folded and then made this really pretty heart. So it looks really cool. And so I did this one on red paper, but I'm going to show you how to do it on regular white paper. So the first step we are going to do is we're going to grab our white paper and we're going to fold it in half. So I'm going to fold it in half, what we call like sandwich or hamburger style, not hot dog style. So I'm going to just fold it in half, make sure that the corners align like so. We want to make sure that when we are tracing, that we are tracing with our hand like so. So you're going to want to trace your hand. You see the opening is over there. These two fingers, so your thumb and your first finger here, you're going to spread them out. Your hand might be smaller than mine. And when we're tracing, we're going to make sure that the thumb and this first finger right here, we don't circle them all around, but we take them all the way to the edge, because this finger and that finger, this thumb, are going to be the ones that create our heart. Like I mentioned, these two fingers will be kind of sticking out a little bit, even if your hand is smaller than mine, because we're not going to go around them. We're going to kind of take it all the way to the edge, because those are the two that are going to connect to make our hand. So I'm going to grab my pen. And I'm just going to trace away. I'm going to start here. As you can see, all of my other fingers, I like went around like so. But here, for these two fingers, I went all the way straight and all the way straight, just because these two sections are the ones that are going to connect it and make my heart. And so the next thing we do is cut. All right, so we're going to cut. We're going to grab our scissors and carefully make sure that when we come to this finger and this finger, I'm going to show you right here. When we come to this finger and this finger, we don't cut that off. We just go straight as well. And then the other ones we can go around, just because, again, we have this flap right here, but then this side right here is what is going to connect our card together. So let's cut. So we finish our cut, and if we did this correctly, we should have them connecting. They're connecting, and if we flip it, then we have a beautiful heart in the middle. And so now we have the front of our card, we have the back of the card. It's up to you what you want to write, but you can decorate it however you want. I'm going to decorate mine. So I made my card. It's not as creative as I want it to be because I still have a lot more to go. So I'm still going to add a lot more things to it. But I hope this gives you an idea of what you can do to your Mother's Day card, and when they open it, they see this beautiful heart in the middle. And I know you can't read this, but it says, "I love you, Mom." So yeah, I hope you try this at home. Remember, there's a lot of different websites and things that you can go on to get creative with very minimal things like just paper and different stuff that you would have at home. So yeah, I'm wishing everyone a happy Mother's Day, and stay tuned for Monday's video. Bye.